Hello, just wanted to go over a couple of things in regards to EDU 131. As you saw in the information, you should have, in the Getting Started module, there's lots of information. You should have gone through all this information at the top. Each week, I'll post course announcements. Sometimes it's more than 1 week, and more than once a week if there's something else I need to tell you. So make sure you check your course announcements at least a few times a week. Each week you'll have a module and you'll have assignments and required readings for each module. Again, all assignments are due on Tuesdays. If there's a change, I'll notify you through course announcements. The textbook that's required for this course, and it is required, is Homeschool and Community Relations by Carol Geswicki. This information is on the SEC Bookstore website. If you use Cengage Unlimited, all you need is access to the ebook. If it asks you for access code for the other Cengage products, you do not need that. All you need is the book. Another important thing is, just as you see here where you've clicked to listen, some weeks, a lot of weeks, I will post instructor notes or some lecture items under the required readings and resources, so you need to always click on that and listen or view. Also, too, one thing that's really important, if I have readings and resources listed, make sure you look at those, because I can tell if you have looked at the resources. Just a couple of things I wanted to go over with you. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.